at Goodwood. I rode the RSV4 this morning.
And again, at the weekend at Snetson, he led till the very last lap, and Aprilia never won a BS run. They come standard with just under 200.
And I'll be riding the RS660 this afternoon. Just thought I'd show you guys around a little bit, get you guys to see a little bit of what's going on. That sounds crazy. So I've had an absolutely wonderful day today. Massive thanks to Aprilia for inviting me to Goodwood. I had a wonderful time riding the RSV4 this morning, and then a really fun ride in the RS660. Absolutely wonderful bikes. The 660 is a lot more punchy than I expected, and the RSV4 is still most definitely my dream bike. Could not be happier right now. Want to thank the whole team today for all the support and help they've given me, and I hope that you've enjoyed coming along for the ride a little bit.